I don't know if yours will. I've got a real close tolerance between the blades of this fan and the vents on the top of the bell housing of this motor. I've gapped it correctly, and it's like an air raid siren now, as it is. How cool is that? And I'll part the wash machine out too later on. So yeah, being able to get a second-hand good motor from a junk machine makes it a bit difficult. So a new motor from the new part of this new is more bloody expensive than the bloody machine is. So yeah, it's quite disappointing, damn it. I have luck with Fisher and Parker machines getting second-hand good quality parts, but the Simpsons, no, they don't stock the Simpson parts. And then they even have any junk Simpsons like this at the back of their shop, so I don't know, it was worth a try. At least I get to recycle the components. Worked out quite well, hasn't it? Isn't that beautiful? Alright, let's get this thing running. Not very loud, but it works. But the slightest load on this motor, it doesn't go over 200 hertz. You see? Now it's starting to slow down. Oh, bugger! Only at no load. Too bad. This sounds alright. Jam some paper inside here, a bit of cardboard under this gap. I just tap the shaft and pull it in and bolt it into place. It's paper thin, the gap inside there. You see those vents to the motor? It's working perfectly as a bloody air raid siren. Working quite well. If I could lathe and put like a tool on here, file this flush, put like a housing around that, get a real close tolerant housing to go around the outside of this fan so it buffets air more. But yeah, if I made a wooden impeller for this motor, I'll be a bit hesitant to run it fast because it'll explode. But yes, it'll be a good air raid siren motor, this. A very good air raid siren project. Anyway, not bad. We have a hungry dog. You looking at? So I can't really put that back in the washing machine because this thing's got no torque. I could bypass a clutch and that, run the motor, and then pull the clutch manually to engage the drum to spin, but this has just got no torque. No torque. I've got to configure the drive properly. See, running that washing machine at stupid speeds isn't going to be possible because the drive isn't configured for this motor to get the maximum amount of torque. That's the drawback to get with VFDs. They're only good torque at low speed, but as you get anything over 50 Hz, the torque isn't quite as good. That's a limitation variable frequency drives have, even they're all big ones. Anyway, this modification to this bloody cord too. I got a small drill bit and stuck it in the socket, and I just carefully drilled out the plastic and recut the slots because this glue material they've used has swollen and filled these receptacles up with sticky gunk to the point you couldn't put a plug in it anymore. And when you had a plug in it for a while, it'll get stuck. So This is the last of the Australian-made cords, 1998, when you can still buy these Australian-made at the supermarket. This came from Fisher's IGA, and it was the last of the Australian-made cords. So Burton's was one of the last companies to make standard consumer-grade electrical extension cords in Australia. Since after that, they were all China. So it's good fix. Running a sharp jaw bit through it, that fixed it up. The connections were alright. You don't hit the connections, obviously. Anyway, nothing much else been happening. Thanks for watching.